In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the advantages of an LLC and how an LLC can provide you with the peace of mind as you pursue your business ventures. Hi there, I'm Andrew from An Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,100 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. I am a recent law school graduate. I am currently awaiting my bar results, and in the meantime, I'm helping entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses too. So let's go ahead and talk about the advantages that an LLC will provide you in your business ventures. There are many advantages to a limited liability company, known as an LLC. Some business owners have found that dealing with taxes, income tracking, business write-offs, and lawsuits is much easier for an LLC. Some examples of how to deal with these matters can help you understand its advantages. So first, let's go ahead and talk about taxes and LLCs. LLCs do not pay taxes. They are designated as pass-through entities, meaning they pass all tax liability through to the members. For example, one owner LLC sells toys on the internet. The owner does not get a W-2 form, has no withholding for taxes, and must pay 13.2% in self-employment taxes, Social Security, and Medicare. This owner must plan on paying all the taxes on the money the LLC earns, and therefore should make quarterly payments. In addition to the self-employment tax, the owner must pay regular income tax. Next, let's go ahead and talk about tracking income. Make sure all checks the company receives are made out to the name of the LLC. Also write checks from the LLC account to pay for expenses. This will be important when you prepare the business's profit and loss statement. You can pay yourself at any time. Simply write a check to yourself from the LLC. This two-tiered tracking method allows for sound business accounting and unlimited payments to yourself or other LLC members. For example, say a shoe manufacturer has 2 LLC members. The company takes in $300,000 for the year and has expenses of $200,000. All of this is tracked on the company accounting ledger. At the end of the year, the 2 LLC members can write themselves checks and split the profits. Next, let's go ahead and talk about business write-offs. You can write off many expenses for a business that you can't write off for yourself. For example, if you own a car, you can't take it off of your taxes. An LLC, however, can own a car and depreciate it each year, thus lowering the net income it reports. When that income passes through to you, the car will already be deducted as an expense. Next, let's go ahead and talk about lawsuits and potential accidents. As a self-employed person, you have to work hard to build assets for yourself and your family. An LLC protects all of your personal assets in the event someone makes a claim against the company. You have zero financial liability for any mishaps. For example, assume a photographer at a photo shoot leaves a cord in the way, tripping the client and causing an injury. The injured party can sue only the company. The photographer's home, car, and other assets are protected. In addition to personal liability protection, you're also able to build your reputation. I mean, how cool is it to know that you have a company in your name? Yes, LLCs provide that separation between business and personal, but at the end of the day, you're able to build your reputation. When you enter into business, you're not just doing it to make money. I mean, sure, that may be your main objective. But for a lot of people, their main objective is to create something, a brand that they can be proud of, something that can last from generation to generation. Whether you live overseas or you live here in the States, all of us want to build something that we can be proud of. But most importantly, in building this business, you're able to become your own boss. You're able to enter into agreements and contracts with other businesses. You're able to set your own hours. And the nice thing is, depending on your business, you're able to work from anywhere in the world. Many of the large companies that we see today all started as an LLC. Some of these companies include Coca-Cola. Some of these companies, other companies include Metro. It all depends on where your vision is, and it all depends on how far you want to take things. When you decide to start a business, don't just view it as a way to make income. View it as something that you can build, something that you can be proud of, something that you can hand down your familial lineage. The US has the greatest market to enter into. Your opportunity is limitless. It all depends on the work that you're willing to put in. LLCs are that foundational vehicle to take you from point A to point B. All you have to do is ask yourself, what do you want? What do you hope to achieve? What do you hope to build? When you decide that you want to set up an LLC for these many advantages and benefits, use it as a fuel to drive you to do your best, to do more, to live more, to grow, to expand. It's all in your hands. And so to sum up this entire video, 1, LLCs provide you with tax benefits. 2, you're able to deduct certain expenses. 3, you're able to track your income. 4, you have that personal liability protection. But at the end of the day, you have your own company in your own name. So if you happen to have any questions about what I talked about today, such as the LLC advantages and how this may be beneficial to you, please make sure you click the link in the description box below to book your free consultation with a professional who can provide you with more information as to how an LLC will be advantageous to your business ventures. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, as well as clicking on the bell. Do keep in mind that if you decide that you want our help in setting up your LLC, we handle all the legal documents for you. All the complicated legal forms, we take care of that. We take care of all the filings. That way you can focus on the business itself, growing the business, expanding the business, planning out for the business. And do keep in mind that any expenses that you use in setting up your business is tax deductible. So it's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. If you would like to continue learning more about LLCs, businesses, online businesses, go ahead and watch one of these videos.